Well, next up, we have the final of the women's C2 200 meters. And really interesting to see how those athletes who took part in the C2 500 earlier on can double up just less than an hour later. And see whether they can get double medals in the space of an hour. In lane 1, representing Colombia, Ana Lady Daza Ochoa and Manuela Gomez Sanchez. In lane 2, from Belarus, Olga Klimova and Nadzea Makachenka. We saw them win bronze over 500 meters earlier on. Big cheer there for Takac and Bala of Hungary. They were the silver medalists in the C2 500 meters. They are the reigning European champions as well. Uzbekistan, Dilnoza Rakhmatova and Nilufar Zukirova in lane 4 for Uzbekistan. China's Lin Wenjun and Zhang Luqi in lane 5. They're certainly ones to look out for after their performances at the World Cups this year. From Russia, Daria Harchenko and Ksenia Kurach, they're in lane 6. In lane 7, Moldova's Maria Olarasu and Daniela Koshu. In lane 8, Ukraine's Ludmila Luzan and Anastasia Chetverikova, the reigning under-23 European champions in C2 500. And finally, Indonesia in lane 9, Dayumin and Nurmani. Well, here we go, the final of the women's C2 200 meters. Brilliant start by this Chinese pairing, Lin and Zhang. They already have a convincing lead in this C2 200. They won gold at both World Cups this year and both World Cups last year, including here in Szeged at the 2018 event. And they have the lead here over Hungary. Takac and Bala gunning for yet another medal after their silver in the 500 meters earlier on. Also, Uzbekistan going really well in lane 4. They'll be getting some bumpy water from China and Hungary, though. Hungary putting the pressure on the Chinese. Can China hold on to take the gold? China are the world champions. It's Hungary who takes silver. And a really close finish between Uzbekistan and Belarus for the bronze, but I think just about went to Uzbekistan in lane 4. Brilliant race, though, from the Chinese pair. They must have got into this event the favourites after their performances in the World Cups. And they are the world champions, Lin Wenjun and Zhang Luqi. Hungary there with a big finish. They really look to be closing down the Chinese, but they held on. So close between Uzbekistan and Belarus. I still can't quite call it. And it looks like the lunge from Uzbekistan that did it for them in the end and just got them over the line for the bronze. That's Dilnoza Rakhmatova and Nilufar Zukirova, reigning under-23 world champions now, senior bronze medalists. Now, this one is actually a non-Olympic event, but really exciting to see, even in the non-Olympic events, how women's canoe boat racing is just getting so much more hotly contested. The quality is there. The depth is really, really there as well now. 44.6.